Good morning from New York. So today I am walking along the river. So I started near Wall Street, which is where I'm staying. I'm currently going to walk all the way around the river and just see how far I can get. Aiming for Vessel and then maybe a bit more after that, but we'll see. Very nice day for it. Beautiful sunshine. Not too cold, about 4 degrees, 5 degrees. It's not too bad. Camera wise, yeah, I look like a bit of a tit to be honest. I've got two bodies and two lenses, got the 18 and the 33. Also to the small percentage of you that are wondering where this footage is coming from, it's the iPhone 13 in the ProRes. So 13 Pro using the ProRes video recording and built-in audio. Very windy, very noisy. So I'm interested to see how this performs. I wish there was like an easier way to quickly use the phone, you know, or at least not worry about the phone as much, because obviously, you know, if I, let's say, drop it in the river down there, or someone pinches it or I drop it and break it, then it's a bit more of a hassle compared to just a GoPro, but yeah. This is my first day in the city. I arrived yesterday evening, very chilled morning, slept in a bit, went to the gym. Gym is quite good actually. And now we're just gonna walk around for a bit, just relax. No specific plans. I am meeting up with a few very cool people that you will probably know later in the week, but for now, just to chill. So now I'm on the High Line heading back downtown towards Wall Street where my hotel is. It'll probably be another 2-hour walk back. Beautiful day, the sun is still coming out, although because the sun's really low, obviously not as many areas do get hit by the sun, especially further into town. Also the jet lag is starting to hit me a little bit, so I'm gonna have a fairly chill day. One thing I do want to say though is I forgot just how big New York is. Like, I feel like I've been walking for ages and I literally moved like that far on the map, obviously compared to London, which is still quite big but much smaller than this place. But yeah, I forgot. So I think I'll need a bit more time than I thought I would, because I just figured, oh, I'll just pop down there, pop down there, pop down there. But obviously that popping down there bit is taking like half a day. So can't complain then, all good. Okay, so slight change of plan. Originally, I got off the High Line and I was going to walk through meatpacking and then through town into back to downtown where my hotel is. However, the light was dead. However, the sky was looking good, so I figured, screw that idea, come back to the river and see if anything happens. Now, one thing I would like to say is that they do feel a bit heavy after a full day of walking. So far I'm about 13 miles, so I've probably got another 2 left before I'm back at the hotel. And they already feel quite heavy, so I have to take them off quite a little bit. Now, in terms of the actual lenses, you know what? I think that is a pretty decent setup, because at no point did I want something longer than the 33, nor did I want anything wider than the 18.